This is the finished product. I reduced the volume so it will not hurt that much. First, I laid out the Arduino and breadboard and prepared the 5 LEDs to be used. The 330 ohm resistor is then placed onto the breadboard. I will now prepare the jumper wires that I will be using. I will now alternately place the wires and the resistor to the breadboard for the LEDs. Mistakenly connecting the ground wires on Arduino, but it will be connected correctly later. I will now add the positive pins on the LED. The potentiometer is then connected to the Arduino. This will control the volume of the buzzer. Finally, the buzzer is then connected to the Arduino.